Hello friends, welcome to the Tomato Blues kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all our favorite idli and dosa accompaniment. This is our pantry staple, Idli Podi. We enjoy this Idli Podi with dosas, idlis and even upma in our house. So come on, let's get started with making our Idli Podi. To make this Idli Podi, I'm using a cast iron pan today. To this heated cast iron pan, I'm adding 3/4 of a cup whole white urad dal. Whole white urad dal has a nuttier flavor than the regular broken white urad dal, so use this for a better flavored idli podi. Now we are going to roast this on low flame for 4 to 6 minutes until the dal turns golden. Do not rush or hurry this process. You have to be patient for making some good quality idli podi. Now once the urad dal is done, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chana dal and 3 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. I'm going to be again roasting all this on low flame. Along with the chana dal and sesame seeds, I'm adding 12 to 15 dry red chilies, of which I have removed the stems. I prefer to always roast the chilies along with some other ingredient because roasting chilies on their own may cause sneezing in many people. It does to me. Now once the chilies are puffy, I'm removing them out and I'm going to continue roasting the chana dal and sesame seeds until golden and the sesame seeds begin to pop. This took me roughly about 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Now I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is ing or peringayam. This is the flavor adding agent for this idli padi, so do not skip this step my friends, and also if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to press the bell button for timely updates. Now the chana dal and the sesame seeds are roasted. I'm adding 1/4 cup of tightly packed, washed and sun-dried curry leaves to my pan, and I'm going to be dry roasting this until they turn wilted and crisp. This roughly took me 4 minutes. Now this is done. I'm going to allow it to cool. If you can see, all the ingredients are ready to be ground because they are cool now. I'm going to grind this in a blender jar today. Make sure they are cool before grinding, otherwise your blender jar may get spoiled. Add all the roasted ingredients to the blender jar and add the curry leaves too. We are also going to be adding the salt required for the idli podi along with these ingredients before grinding. I am using 1.5 teaspoons of salt for this batch of my idli podi. Now we are going to grind this idli podi to a slightly coarse powder because we like some texture in the powder that is in our podi. So this is how it looks once it is ground. Once it is done, transfer to a clean, dry, airtight container and your batch of idli podi for the next 1 month is ready my friends. You can enjoy it with some sesame oil along with some dosa and idli. Meet you all soon with another recipe. Bye bye.